So if on, then I can tell you that I have not been in Denmark. I have been in Ruslinge, and Ruslinge is so much more Denmark than other places I have ever been in Denmark. Then I think Ruslinge is Denmark. 2,500 people, 2 banks, 3 supermarkets, and lots of tennis courts, and schools, many. One of them high school. So Ruslinge is white church, kind of like Harry Potter school. That is Denmark for me. Singing in the morning, English and Danish. We had some great fun there. Very much fun. Probably one of the best funs I have ever had, because fun was mixed together with with performance and art and traveling. So I enjoyed.